What's going on, Heads Up fans? It's Mike coming at you once again from the headquarters of Heads Up Sports Cards. And we are coming at you today. It's our favorite time of the month. We got the Rookie Explosion Box, Volume 10 by Filmington. This is my fourth month getting this box. By far, one of the best repack projects that I think is available. Super fun. Chasing rookies, lots of tops cards, all things that add up, meaning that I really like it. Let's get into it. All right, so this month, Filmington expanded the product to 144 subscriptions, which means that it's increasing ever in popularity. So congratulations to Phil for his success with this. And let's get into the box. I'm going to do something a little bit different this month. I'm not going to go in up or down order. I'm going to rearrange these. I'm going to show the packs as they come out, put them in the order that I'm the most excited to open them for. Let you know what the rookies are that are coming out of each pack as we pull them out of the box. And then we'll rip into the packages. As always, there's the information for Filmington. Make sure you check it out. Grab a subscription if one's available. Grab a non-subscription box if that is available. But good luck because these babies go quick. All right, excellent. So the first pack out of the box is 1982 Donruss. We'll be looking for Cal Ripken Jr. and Lee Smith rookie cards out of this pack. All right, next we have 1986 O-Pee-Chee baseball from Canada. No rookies in here. Just kind of a fun throwback rip. All right. We've got the 1993 Series 1 Topps baseball, looking for that Derek Jeter card. We've seen him come out before. 2010 Topps update. In here we have Mike Stanton rookies, Josh Donaldson rookies, Lorenzo Cain, and Carlos Santana. 2015 Topps update. We have Francisco Lindor, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Joey Gallo, Byron Buxton, Noah Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Giovanni Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham, and Matt Boyd possibly out of here. All right. 2016 Bowman. In here we can find paper or chrome prospect cards of Vlad Jr., Fernando Tatis, Alex Bregman, Yohan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Trey Mancini, Mike Clevenger. Possible autos in here of Alex Bregman, Moncada, Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, and Tyler O'Neill. All right. We have Topps Chrome 2016. We can find Corey Seager, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Ketel Marte, Alberto Raul Mondesi Jr., Max Kepler, Blake Snell, and potential autos of all of those friends, including Aaron Nola, Jose Barrios, Julio Urias, and Lucas Giolito. So lots of prospects and rookies out of there. Rookies. 2018 Topps Chrome. This is retail, but we did see a hit come out of this if you watch the other videos that are uploaded onto YouTube. And we can find Acuna, Ohtani, Gleyber Torres, Rafi Devers, Ozzie Albies, Walker Buehler, Victor Robles, Rhys Hoskins, and autos of all of those guys as well, potentially. Then we have the Heritage High Number 2018. In here, you're looking for Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Torres, and Devers. Action variations of Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, and Lourdes Gurriel. And there are autos in here of Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Albies, Victor Robles, and Rhys Hoskins. Pretty cool. Excellent. Then we have the 2018 Topps Update Series. This has been the best product for me out of these boxes. I'm 3 for 3 with hits or super short print parallels out of this product. We're looking for Acuna, Soto, Otani, Torres, Austin Meadows, Michael Soroka, and image variations of Acuna, Soto, Otani, Torres, Meadows, Soroka, Shane Bieber, Franmil Reyes, or Lourdes Gurriel. All right. Then we have 2 packs left. We have the 19 minor league heritage. In here, you can find Wander Franco, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Seth Beer, Louis Robert, Jared Kalenic, and variations and short prints of Franco, Robert, Kalenic, Nolan Gorman, Nico Horner, Casey Mize, Joe Adell, and Tim Tebow. Autos of everyone, including Bart, Franco, Kalenic, Gorman, Horner, Ronnie Mauricio, Casey Mize, Nick Madrigal, Jonathan India, Tristan Casas, and Miguel Amaya. Whew, that's not a mouthful. And then we have the 2019 Top Series 2, which of course we're looking for rookies of Alonso, Tatis Jimenez, and the Vlad Guerrero not so short print. All right, that's all the packs. Hopefully we pull some of those guys. We'll advertise for Phil. Boom. There we go. And let's see. This is going to go here, 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 and we are off. All right. I'm going to start off with the 2018 Topps Chrome because it's retail and yeah. Because that's what I felt like doing. Got something in here. Let's see what it is. It's a redemption. So we got a hit of a redemption out of retail. First pack. Hopefully it's somebody good. We got Miguel Franco. We got Sandy Alcantara. We got a throwback chrome of Paul Goldschmidt and our redemption. We are due to receive a rookie autograph green refractor parallel, which means it's numbered to 99, of Alex Verdugo. All right, not too bad. Not a bad way to start it off. We'll get that right out to Topps. It expires next June, so we're in good shape. All right, nice way to start. That's why I picked that one first. All right, on to the 93 Topps Series 1. Let's get that focus. They moved away from wax. They made it harder to open the packs. All right, let's see what we got. Can we keep the hot streak going? All right, we're going to pull a gold to the back. There's a Dave Fleming, All-Star Rookie. Mickey Tettleton. Phil Stevenson. Marquise Grissom. Doug Henry. Paul O'Neill. Sid Fernandez. Craig Colbert. Carlton Fisk. Juan Guzman. Pedro Estacio. Bill Gullickson. Russ Swan. Mark Portugal. And our gold card is Mike Greenwell, Gator. As a Red Sox fan, we will take it. Nice one. All right, on to the 86 OPG from Canada, French Canada. We have Len Dykstra, Jerry Willard. This is the Flippy-Doo game. Al Holland. There it is. Larry McWilliams. Ron Davis. Jesse Orozco. Bud Black. And Gary Lavelle with the gum. I don't care about the gum because he's nobody that I ever heard of. All right, next up, 2019 Heritage Minor League. Let's find a Wander. Let's see, we got minor league run leaders of Vidal Brujan, Brett Boswell, and Bo Bichette. Adam Hazley, Fighting Phils. J-Rod for the Power. Nice. Good prospect there. Alex Kirilloff. Vidal Brujan for the Stone Crabs. Gabriel Cancel. William Contreras. And Jamani Jones. All right. Next up is the 18 Heritage High number. You know what? Before we do that, I don't know if there's short prints or variations or anything in this. So let's just take a quick look. Doesn't look like it. Nothing that I see different. I will do a better check later. All right, excellent. Heritage High number. Got a Decal, something Decal. Tyson Ross. Jaime Barria. Drew Robinson. Adam Ottavino. Miguel Montero. Jay-Z, Jordan Zimmerman. Rookie of Garrett Cooper. Brian Shaw. And a Decal of Thor. Noah Syndergaard. That's a pretty cool card, though. That is a facsimile auto. All right. 16 Topps Chrome. Can the Topps Chrome continue to be good to us? Doesn't look like it. Brad Ziegler. There's a refractor of Ryan Howard. Big Papi. And Garrett Cole. Future World Series MVP. All right. 19 Series 2. Keep them coming. All right. We got Alan Hansen. Rosel Herrera, rookie. Austin Slater. Jeffrey Ramirez, rookie. There's the Indians field. Bryce Wilson, rookie. And a Joey Votto, 150 greatest players insert. Louis Ortiz, rookie. Brian Goodwin. There's a Bregman. Be looking for him a little bit later on. Pedro Baez. Phil Irvin. Zach Eflin. And Hosmer gives props to Hunter Renfroe. All right, next pack. 15 Topps Update. Home Run Halos, Pujols and Trout. It's a cool card. There's a Devin Travis, rookie. Leonel Campos, rookie. Todd Cunningham. Andrew Romine. Colin Cowgill. Felipe Rivera, rookie. Mike Fiers. There's a Corey Rasmus Gold. And an Evan Gattis Snow Camo. Future Stars. So the gold card numbered to 2015. And the Evan Gattis Future Stars Snow Camo numbered 4 of 99. Numbered to 99. All right. Pretty cool. Next pack. 2010 Topps Update. Got a Red Sox on the back. Sweet. We got Bobby Crosby. Alberto Caspo. Brian Wilson. Jason Giambino. D-Mac. Darnell McDonald. There's a Pujols. Coy Hill. Our gold card. Gold parallel of Hong Ching Kuo. Number to 2010. Chase Speaker. I think this is the Vintage Series. Vintage Legends. And then a Euclid Topps Attacks card. Hopefully walks were worth a lot of points. Next up, the 82 Donruss. Let's get us a Ripken. Let's find it. I haven't seen one yet. It's in my box. That's why it hasn't been found. Puzzle piece. All right. We have John Littlefield, Mike Ivy, Benny Ayala, Elias Sosa. There's a Diamond King of Phil Necro, Brian Kingman, Larry Gura, Matt Sinatro, Johnny Bench. That's a cool card. Johnny Bench, Hall of Famer. Philly's Finest, Pete Rose and Mike Schmidt. It's a cool looking card. Got a Carney Lansford, Stan Poppy, Bill Verdone, Jim Morrison, and Spaceman Bill Lee. That's a cool card. All right, no Ripken. Better luck next time, Mike. On to the 18 update series. We are having fun. This has been fun. Let's see what we find. Harvey Baez. Harvey. Neil Walker. Jan Gomes. Leonis Martin. Flippy Doo. Yinjin Ryu. Tony Kemp. Luis Severino. There's a Kingery. Rookies top salute insert. Jeffrey Marte and Tyler Chatwood. All right. Last pack. 2016 Bowman. Let's find it. What do we got? There's a Strasburg. Steven Strasburg. Mark Melanson. Darvisha. There it is. Yon Moncada. First Bowman Chrome. That's one of the ones we're looking for. Sal Romano, Bowman Chrome. There's a Curry Mella, Kyle Holder, Gavin Cecchini. We got a Verlander and Miguel Amante rookie. All right, so that does it for our Volume 10 Rookie Explosion box. Quickly go through some of the notables that I liked. We had the Moncada, first Bowman Chrome out of 16 Bowman. We had the Evan Gattis Snow Camo Future Stars parallel number to 99. The Deckel Border Noah Syndergaard out of Heritage High number. We had the J-Rod Julio Rodriguez out of the 19 Heritage Minor League. And then we did have a hit come out of our retail pack of 2018 Topps Chrome. It's a green refractor parallel of Alex Verdugo. So, not a bad box. Always a fun rip. I really enjoyed spending a little time with everybody. Thank you for coming to hang out. Make sure you sub the channel. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. And as always, don't forget to buy the t-shirt. We'll see you next time at Heads Up Sports Cards.